I apologize, my voice did not record when I did this video, so I am doing a voiceover right now. So what we are going to do in this video is steps 5 through 7. So we need to find the bending strength Mn, find Zx, and then select the appropriate steel beam using Zx. So step 5, to start us off, we need to find Mn. Mn equation is given to you in your PowerPoint, so please make sure you write it down so that you have it when you do question 2. So the equation for Mn is Mn is greater than or equal to Ma and then your importance factor. So we have already found Ma. Ma is your maximum moment. So we found that in the previous question. And then our importance factor was given to us on the PowerPoint. So Ma is the maximum moment. (40,541 foot-pounds. And then our importance factor again was given to us on the PowerPoint, which is 1.67. So you're going to plug those numbers in to figure out our Mn. So our Mn is 67,704 pound-foot. It should really be foot-pounds. Put a big rectangle around that. All right. Step 6, now that we found Mn, we can then use that number to find our Zx. So the other equation for Mn is Mn equals Fy times Zx. We know Mn and we know Fy, so now we can find Zx. So plug in the numbers that you know. I'm just kind of reversing this equation to get it to be Zx equals, because that's what we're looking for. So we're going to do Zx equals 67,704 foot-pounds all over Fy, which again was given to you, which is 58,000 psi. I want to make a note here. I made an error. You need to convert the top number into inches. So please do that, and that's how you'll get the correct answer of Zx equals 16.25. Very important that you convert your units to get it into inches cubed. All right, now that we have Zx, we can figure out what kind of beam we want using the table. And I told you in the given information that we are looking for a W12. So when you read this table, you're always going to start at the bottom and work your way up, because that's the lightest beam at the bottom, and then they get heavier as you go up. All right, so I'm going to start and go all the way up, and then I see there's a W12 by 14. I'm going to go all the way across and look for my Zx. My Zx for a W12 by 14 is 17.4, which is greater than 16.25, so I'm good to go. I can use a W12 by 14. So I'm just going to write out the steps here. So first I go to my beam table. I know I want a W12. Then I know I'm going to do the first one, which is a W12 by 14. And that has a Zx of 17.4, which is greater than my Zx of 16.25. Give it a nice little check mark. And then your final answer is a W12 by 14, and put a nice little rectangle around it. And that's questions 5 through 7.